Hi, this is Dylan Code with the California Superbike School. This is a quick note about brake pads. Obviously, brake pads wear out, and we've chosen DP brake pads as our replacement for the OE pads. Now, you might not believe this, but on track riding, the OE pads aren't necessarily going to last very long. Mine lasted 500 miles and then I needed to replace them. Of course, these are going to last a lot longer than that. And another really nice advantage is the initial bite feel. It's not too grabby, and of course, it's not too soft, and very low dust. So if you are in the market for some replacement brake pads, you should definitely consider DP brakes.